ओम चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाशयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। इन उपदेश साहस्री 17th chapter सम्यंगमति प्रकरणम, the उपसंहार is being done now. 85th श्लोका in टीका पेज नंबर 244। प्रकरणोक्तम ज्ञानम इदानीं प्रशंसन्नस्य उपादेयत्वं दृढ़यति। The ज्ञानम which is said in this prakarana, प्रकरणोक्तम ज्ञानम आत्मज्ञानम प्रशंसन्नस्य उपादेयत्वम, प्रशंसन्न means the one who is worthy of praise. Prashansanna. For that person, this is upadeya. Jnanam prashansannasya upadeyatvam. So prashansanna upadeya. Jnanam which is praiseworthy and it should be taken up. Rahasyam sarva vedanam devanam chapi yat param pavitram paramam hyetat tadetat samprakashitam. रहस्यं सर्ववेदानां देवानां चापि यत्परं पवित्रं परमं ह्येतत् तदेतत् सम्प्रकाशितम्। This ज्ञानम सर्ववेदानां रहस्यं सर्वदेवानां च अपि रहस्यं यत् परम परम रहस्यम, यू कैन से यत् सर्ववेदानां परम रहस्यम यत् सर्वदेवानां अपि परम रहस्यम एतत् हि पवित्रं परमं तद एतत् संप्रकाशितम्। संप्रकाशितम् कुत्र? अस्मिन् प्रकरणे। In this chapter, this jnanam is संप्रकाशितम्, is very well revealed. What is this jnanam? Sarva Vedanam yat param rahasyam, that which is the supreme secret of all the Vedas. And yat devanam api param rahasyam, for devatas also it is a secret. Means devatas also don't know. Upanishad शब्द, one meaning of Upanishad is rahasya. In Brahadaranyaka it is given. So this Upanishad Jnanam itself is Rahasya. And etad hi paramam pavitram. This Jnanam is paramam pavitram. It is supremely pure. Tad etat samprakashitam. Asmin prakarane, in this Samyagmati prakarana, this is what is revealed. What is the secret of Vedas? That is given in this chapter. What is that Devatas also don't know is given in this chapter. What is the supremely pure is given in this chapter. What else do we want? This is the highest. And actually, the language of this chapter is much easier than previous chapter. How it is Sarva Vedanam Rahasyam si Tika. Rahasyam Upadesha Vyatirekena Avijneyam. It is Rahasyam because without Upadesha, this cannot be known. Upadesha Vyatirekena Avijneyam. Because Upanishad itself says, Acharyavan Purusho Veda. When someone instructs you, only then you will know, not otherwise. So this has to be taught. Taught means somebody will teach you, but you also should become prepared. That will be said in the next shlokas. Even if someone teaches, is I am not prepared, I will not get it. And we know what it means. Sarva Vedanam Rahasyam Sarve Veda Yat Padam Amananti. All the Vedas means Veda mantras. Yat Padam Brahma Amananti. They Man Dhatu is there. Man Dhatu is for Chintanam. Man Jnane, Man Avabodhane. Both are there. And Mana Abhyase. So here you have to use Mana Dhatu. Mana Abhyase. Bhadigana. Mananti. Meaning is that Vedas think of this. Vedas do Chintanam of this. Or Vedas make us think. Let us put it this way. Sarve Vedaha Yat Padam Amananti. Tapamsi Sarvani Chayad Vadanti. All tapas is for Brahma only. Yad icchanto brahmacharyam charanti. Seeking which person does Gurukula Vasa, follows all the niyamas. That is this Param Brahma. Devairatrapi vichikitsitam pura nahi suvigneyam anuresha dharma. Both of them are from Katha Upanishad. Yamacharya says, Devaihi atrapi vichikitसितं pura. Atra means asmin vishaye, about Atma. Devatas also have doubts. Devaihi api vichikitsitam. They have vichikitsa, samshaya. What? Whether astiti, nasti. Asti or nasti, about that. Nahi suvigneyam anuhu esha dharma. Esha dharma. Dharma means Atma. Nahi suvigneyam. So, it is not known to even devatas. And it is anuhu esha dharma. Anu means sukshma. Tasmad nahi suvigneyam. It is not easy to understand. Iti shruter devanam chapi rahasyam ityartha. Therefore, for devatas also it is rahasyam. Devatas also don't know. So it is not worth becoming devata. We'd rather remain manushya, but gain this knowledge and become free. Param, sarvottamam, pavitram, pavanam. So param is taken with pavitram and paramam is taken separately by the tikakara. Param, sarvottamam, pavitram, pavanam. That which is the highest purifying. Or you can say param rahasyam. Swarga Vidya is also rahasya. It is also a secret. How you will do yajna here and go to Swarga? It is a secret only. To go to Brahmaloka, what upasana I should do, how to do so that I will go to Brahmaloka is also a secret. So Veda talks about everything which is secret only. Whether it is Swargaloka, Pitruloka Prapti, Swargaloka, Brahmaloka Prapti or Moksha. But among all rahasyas, Brahmajnanam, Moksha Prapti is Paramarahasya. Because everything else is still idam. But Brahma Vidya is exceptional. So it is Param Rahasyam and Paramam Pavitram, Pavanam. Shiyante Chasya Karmani Tasmin Drashte Paravare Mundaka Vidyate Hridaya Granthi Chidyante Sarva Samshaya Shiyante Chasya Karmani Tasmin Drashte Paravare. Evam Vidhi Papam Karma न श्लिष्यते एवं विधि पापम कर्म न श्लिष्यते. दिस इज छांदोग्य 4:14:3. So the person who is the knower of this Brahma, evam with tasmin papam karma na shlishyate. In that person, papa karma shlesha, sambandha is not there. Just like Padma Patra Mivambasa, Kamala Patra and Jala, there is no sambandha. So papa karma doesn't affect him. Papa karma doesn't affect him when? Before jnanam or after jnanam? Now what happens to papa karma which were performed before jnanam?
The person who does ninda of the Mahatma, the papa karmas go to that person who does ninda of that Mahatma.
Yeah, but what happens to that Mahatma?
Nothing. He knows his. Yeah, he knows his.
So once jnanam takes place, the papa karma of the past also, there is no shlesha. When it is said, evam vidhi papa karma na shlishya, papam karma na shlishyate. So which papa karma? Jnana उत्तर काल और ज्ञान पूर्व काल? Which one?
Both.
Yes. ज्ञान पूर्व काल and उत्तर काल. None of those papa will affect him. He yasmat, he means yasmat, paramam, parama purushartha rupam niratishayananda prakasham iti yavat. Parama purushartha rupam niratishayananda prakasham. This moksha jnanam is parama purushartha rupam and niratishaya ananda prakasham. Not niratishaya ananda prakashakam, is prakasha itself. Iti yavat. Yadevam rupam. Niratishay anand means aparichinna ananda. Yadevam rupam samyak jnanam tad etat samyak prakashitam prakatikritam asmin prakarane ityartha. Evam rupam samyak jnanam. This samyak jnanam is called samyak mati. Tad etat samyak prakashitam. Very well it is clearly given. Prakatikritam asmin prakarane. Etasya gopaniyatvam suchayati. How this is secret, that is said now. नैतद्देयमशान्ताय रहस्यं ज्ञानमुत्तमम् विरक्ताय प्रदातव्यम् शिष्यायानुगताय च नैतद्देयमशान्ताय रहस्यं ज्ञानमुत्तमम् विरक्ताय प्रदातव्यम् शिष्यायानुगताय च. एतद् उत्तमं रहस्यं ज्ञानम् अशांताय न देयम्. विरक्ताय प्रदातव्यम्. अनुगताय शिष्याय च प्रदातव्यम्. So second line you can make it into two, which is better, or you can make it into one also. Viraktaya, anugataya, shishyaya, pradatavya. But chakara is there, so it's better to split as two. Viraktaya pradatavyam, it should be given to the one who is virakta, having lot of vairagya. And it also should be given to anugata shishya, shishya who follows you, follows the guru. Even if he doesn't have that much vairagya. And the one who has vairagya, even if he doesn't follow guru, you should give him. Viraktaya pradatavyam. Even if it is not, he is not anugata shishya, because he has qualification. And that anugata shishya, even if he is not virakta, you give him, in due course of time, he may get it. At least he is your bhagat, so you give him. But this, see, Bhagavan Bhashyakar is very clear about these things. And Ashanta, one who is Vikshipta, don't waste your time. Bhashyakar is telling gurus, don't waste your time giving this jnanam to someone who is Vikshipta Chitta, Ashanta. In Kathopanishad, na virato dushcharitat, na shanto na samahitah, na shanta manaso vapi prajnane naiva mapnuyat. So if a person who has lot of prajna, he is buddhiman, but dushcharitra is there. Dushcharitra means always very negative about lot of people, lot of things, etc. Dushcharitra, thinking negative of others. If we get negative thoughts in our mind about others, this is dushcharitra, sign of bad character. Then indriyas are ashanta. They want vishaya bhoga. This is another sign. Na shanto na samahita. Buddhi is not samahita. And there is no uparati, means karma adhikya. Vishaya vasana, karma adhikya, atyanta dushcharitra, all this, that person is not ready for jnanam. Acharya says, don't give them. But Upanishad said, even if they hear, nothing will happen, don't worry. They will be miserable only. But if a virakta person is there, jnanam should be given to that person. And in Shvetashvatar, how it is said, na prashantaya datavyam, na putraya ashishyaya va punaha. We saw this recently in Brahadaranyaka also. Aprashantaya na datavyam, aputraya or ashishyaya va na datavyam. So here, that second line is more or less the same. And the whole shloka is about that only. Tika, yadva asya durvigniyatvena दूरधरत्वात् तद्धारण समर्थम अधिकारिणम विशिष्यन् अनधिकारिभ्यो विवेचयति. अस्य ज्ञानस्य दुर्विज्ञेयत्वात्. This jnanam is difficult to know. Durvigneya means durdarsham. Durdarsham Gudham Anupravishtam. Durvigneya means Durdarsham. What is the sutra?
ईषदुःसुषु कृच्छ्राकृच्छ्रेषु
Prachartheshu
कल्पते.
khal. Ishad dussushu krichra krichraartheshu khal. Durvignyatvena durdharatvat. It is difficult to hold. Durdhara. So who will be dharana samartha? Who will be capable of receiving this knowledge well? Like they say, Gangaji is ready to come down. But who will hold her? Only Shiva. Means Virakta. Tad dharana samartham adhikarinam anadhikari vishishyan. From anadhikari, this adhikari is separated. The one who is capable of receiving and holding this jnana. Vivechayati naitadeyam ashantaya ityadi. Further, yasmad, see this is beautiful. Yasmad evam lakshana jnanada. Yasmad evam lakshana jnanada acharya kritakrityo न प्रलोभादिना ज्ञानम प्रयच्छति तस्मान् मुमुक्षुः अमानित्वादि शिष्य गुणयुक्तः स्यात् यथा आचार्यः कृपया विद्यां दद्यात् इति एतदर्थम् आह. एवं लक्षण ज्ञानदः एवं लक्षणं यस्य सः एवं लक्षणः एवं लक्षणस्यासौ ज्ञानदश्च इति एवं लक्षण ज्ञानदः ज्ञानम ददाति इति ज्ञानदः. So samasta pada is evam lakshana and jnanada. Jnanada, the giver of jnanam. That acharya, he is kritakritya. Acharya is fulfilled in himself. Na pralobhadina jnanam prayachati. He does not give jnanam because he has some pralobhana. He has some lobha. That if I give jnanam to this person will do some favor to me, he will give me something, or his wealth. Most of the time, if this is what that Acharya is thinking, that I will get this wealth from this disciple, nothing. This, in Chandogya, there is a story of Raikwa. Janashrutihi Pautrayanaha, 4th chapter of Chandogya. This Janashruti Pautrayana, he has lot of punya. He thinks he's great. Those birds that are flying up in the sky, what do they say? This Jnana Shruti has not much punya. This Raikwa, cartman, who's sitting outside the city under a cart, he has greater punya. This Jnana Shruti, he is surprised. And he goes there, then there is all the story. Then he brings lot of wealth and he says, I'll give you this wealth, you give me the knowledge. That Raikwa says, Hat Shudra, get away. Means if you have come here to bargain with me with this money, you want my knowledge, I will not give you. You are a Shudra. Then he understands his mistake. Then he brings double the wealth and his daughter and says, I offer you also this also. Means it's not that I'll give you wealth and you give me knowledge. I consider you not different from me. So, dhana pralobhanam is not what will make the Acharya give the knowledge. Acharya is kritakritya. And anyway, what wealth we can give to such Acharya? So then what is it that we should take to Acharya if he doesn't want wealth? That is given here. Tasman mumukshuhu amanitvadi shishya guna yuktaha syat. He should cultivate amanitvam, adambhitvam. Then
ahimsa shanti arjavam.
you have to chant 4 shlokas now.
Amanitam adambhitvam ahimsa shanti arjam adhyatma jnana nityatvam.
No. Adhyatma is last
Yeah,
shloka.
last one.
Yeah, what is happening?
अमानित्वम् अदम्भित्वम् अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम् आचार्योपासनं शौचं स्थैर्यम् आत्मविनिग्रहः इन्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यम् अनहङ्कार एव च जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम् असक्तिरनभिष्वङ्गः पुत्रदारगृहादिषु नित्यं च असक्तिरनभिष्वङ्गः पुत्रदारगृहादिषु नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु
मयि चानन्य
योगेन भक्तिरव्यभिचारिणि विविक्तदेशसेवित्वम् अरतिर्जनसंसदि
अध्यात्म ज्ञान नित्यत्वम तत्व ज्ञानार्थ दर्शनम up to this. All this we should have. With that we should go to Acharya, not with the idea that if I give something to Acharya, Acharya will give me knowledge. Acharya will kick you out because he is kritakritya. Yatha Acharya kripaya vidyam dadyat. Acharya will give knowledge only out of his kripa, not because I am useful asset for him. With this attitude, if the Acharya teaches the student, Acharya also will fall, student also will fall. And if the student thinks, I am getting knowledge because I have something and Acharya wants that from me, that student is definitely useless student. Because that student has not understood the value of Acharya also. Iti etad artham aha. So that is presented in this shloka. Dadataschatmano jnanam. Then the next word is nishkriyo. But another reading is there which is better, nishkrayo. Ikara is not there. Dadataschatmano jnanam nishkrayo nyo na vidyate. Jnanamichanstare tasmat yuktaha shishya gunaihi sada. Dadataschatmano jnanam निष्क्रयोऽन्योन्न विद्यते ज्ञानमिच्छन् स्तरे तस्मात् युक्तः शिष्यगुणैः सदा। आत्मनः ज्ञानं ददतः अन्यो निष्क्रयो न विद्यते। Second line, Anvay is given in Tika. See Tika. Na vidyate yasmat. Since dadatascha atmano jnanam nishkrayo anyo na vidyate yasmat tasmat shishya gunaihi sada yukto jnanam icchan sampadayan staret samsaram iti. Nishkraya means bargain or transaction. Atmanah jnanam dadatah. Acharya who gives Atma jnanam, there is no other exchange or transaction with that Acharya. Means you cannot pay in the form of money, etc., or in any other way. There is no bargain. There is no exchange that you give me knowledge, I will give you this. Nothing. Anyo nishkrayo na vidyate. You have to, I give myself. That Janaka Maharaj tells Yajnavalkya ji, at the end of the knowledge, he says, Ime videhaha, Rajyam, Mam api. All this kingdom, people of this kingdom, along with me, we are yours. Jnanam has no other nishkraya. Then what is possible? Shishya gunaihi sada yuktaha. I should endow myself with all shishya guna, qualities of a shishya. Shishyanam gunaihi, shishya gunaihi, sada yuktaha. I should always make sure I have amanitvam, adambitvam, etc. Jnanam icchan, and my interest should be only jnanam. Sampadayan, sansaram taret. I should go beyond samsara. आदाविव उपसंहारे अपि देवता आचार्य नमस्कारौ तद भक्तेर विद्यां प्रति अंतरंगत्व ख्यापनाय कार्याविति दर्शयति श्लोकद्वयेन। आदौ इव उपसंहारे अपि, like in the beginning, at the end also of this chapter, Devata Acharya Namaskaro. In the beginning, Devata Namaskar and Acharya Namaskar, both were done. So, at the end also they are done. Why? Tad bhaktehe vidyam prati antarangatvam. Antarangatva khyapanaaya. Tad bhaktehe means Devata Acharyascha. Tayoho bhaktehe. Tad bhaktehe means their bhakti is antaranga sadhanam for Brahma Vidya. And therefore, namaskarau karyau. That namaskara should be done. Iti darshayati. In 2 shlokas it is shown now. Jnanam jneyam tatha jnata yasmadanyo na vidyate sarvajnah sarvashaktir yas tasmai jnanatmane namaha. Jnanam jneyam tatha jnata yasmadanyo na vidyate sarvajnah sarvashaktir yas tasmai jnanatmane namaha. Jnanam jneyam tatha jnata yasmad anyo na vidyate. यस्मात् ब्रह्मणः अन्यः, other than Brahma there is no jnanam, other than Brahma there is no jneyam, other than Brahma there is no jnata. Correct. Brahma is satyam jnanam anantam. Brahma is Vigneyam. Sa Atma sa Vigneyaha. And Jnata, Brahma alone, with Upadhi of Antakarana will become Jnata. Because Nanyad Ato Asti Drashta Shrota Manta Vignata. Other than Brahma, there is no other Drashta Shrota Manta. Tasmai Yaha Sarvashakti Sarvagneha. Yaha Sarvashakti Sarvagneha Tasmai Jnanatmane Namaha. That which is Sarvagnya, Sarvashakti. Sarvagnya means it is Sarva, Sarvascha, Saugnyascha. It is Sarva Rupa and Jnana Rupa. And it is Sarva Rupa and Shakti Rupa. Tasmai Jnanatmane Chit Sadananda Rupaya Namaha. Namaha Chaturthi. What is the sutra?
Namaha Swasti Swaha Swadha Alam Vashatkarebhyaha.
Vashad Gocha Yogacha. Vashad Yoga. Naswasti Swaha Swadhalam Vashad Yogacha.
Namaha Swasti Swaha Swadha Alam Vashat Yogacha. Chaturthi. Tasmai Jnanatmane Namaha. Vidyaya Taritaha Smoyair Janma Mrityu Mahodadhim Sarvagnebhyo Namastebhyo Gurubhyo Jnana Sankulam. Vidyaya Taritaha Smoyair Janma Mrityu Mahodadhim Sarvagnebhyo Namastebhyo Gurubhyo Jnana Sankulam. Vidyaya Taritaha Smaha Yaihi. Yaihi Vidyaya Tarita Smaha. Janma Mrityu Mahodadhim Taritaha Smaha. Tebhyo Sarvagnebhyo. This Ajnana Sankulam should go in the Prathama Pankti. Yaihi Vidyaya Janma Mrityu Mahodadhim Ajnana Sankulam Taritaha Smaha. Tebhyo Sarvagnebhyo Gurubhyo Namaha. So by whose Upadesha Ajnana Sankulam Taritaha Janma Mrityu Mahodadhim. This samsara is what? Janma Mrityu Janmascha Mrityuscha iti Janma Mrityu Tayoho Mahodadhim or Te eva Mahodadhim. Tau eva, not tau, te eva Mahodadhim, you will have to say. Tau eva Mahodadhim. Janma Mrityu will be pullinga. Mahodadhi उदधी, उदधी शब्द, someone can see what is the linga? स्त्रीलिंग शब्द,
पुल्लिंग है स्वामी जी।
पुल्लिंग, उदधी, उदधी ही। सो जन्म, जन्म च मृत्युश्च, जन्म मृत्यु, तौ एव उदधिः, जन्म महाउदधिः इति जन्म मृत्यु महोदधिः, तम जन्म मृत्यु महोदधिम अज्ञान संकुलम तारितः, which is the अज्ञान संकुल, the collection of all ignorance only, अविद्या रूप, अविद्या समूह, by whose ज्ञान उपदेश we have crossed this. तेभ्यो सर्वज्ञेभ्यो गुरुभ्यः, those guruvaras who are सर्वज्ञ, to them is this namaskara. Ajnana Sankulam iti cheda. So with this chapter, 17th chapter is over. Main theme of this was, means the most unique of this chapter was Brahma Anusandhanam, Brahma Chintanam. Around shloka number 49-50 it started. That I am Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta, I am Ajaha, Amaraha. Why? Because Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti, these three avasthas and avastha abhimani, all of them I have rejected. What remains is this Chaitanya. In this way I should go on dwelling. So that was the main teaching that we should focus on. That Brahma Drishti we have to develop. I am Sarvajnaha, Sarvadruk, Shuddhaha, ityadi, ityadi. And Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, all those things which are given in that Chandogya Shruti, Vacharambhanam, etc., I should dwell on. This is the main part of this chapter. We should not miss out on that. Okay. So with this 17th chapter is over. Next session, we will start with the Tattvamasi Prakaranam. Very beautiful, biggest chapter. And of course, it is the central theme of the Vedanta. Every chapter is central theme of Vedanta only. This clearly says it is Tattvamasi. In the form of Upadesha, it will be imparted. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.